guys, today I'm gonna show you how is rain in Abu Dhabi. And rain is very rare here, so most of the people come to see it. And let me show you how is it. And it's not like other countries. It's very rare here that raining, so I'm gonna show you how is rain in Abu Dhabi. So let's just check it out, and let's go now. And guys, UAE government also announced that to drive cars very carefully as it is slippery because of the rain. So if someone is here in Abu Dhabi, I'm just warning you, don't drive your car very fast. So let's continue watching. And guys, if you are planning to go outside, whoever is in Abu Dhabi or anywhere in UAE, don't forget to take your umbrella, as in many areas of the UAE it's raining. It is also reported by the National Center of Meteorology, so please be careful. So guys, as I said you, most of the people come down to see the rain, as I said you, because rain is very rare in UAE. So many people come down and stand in the edge of the building and watch this rain. Even not only people, all the children love to watch rain here because it's very rare here. Once or twice a year only it will come. Hey guys, so this is just a short vlog to show you how rain is in Abu Dhabi or UAE, any places in UAE. So like, share and subscribe my channel, and also share it to your family members. Bye.